Did you know that there are certain ingredients or additives used in your foods that are associated with certain diseases? A lot of people do not know either, and it is fair for people to know much better. So, in this case, you will see that in the case of sucrose, which is one of the names for sugar, these have these associated diseases. So, we created some APIs to help you know much better what you are eating. So, if you know certain ingredients, you can use our APIs. You can go to rapidapi.com and search for the food ingredients by PTI API. You subscribe to our test, it has a free trial that you can use. And for example, we search for sugar, we hit that endpoint, it will go and retrieve the data, and you will find that there are things such as associated diseases information for sucrose. You will find that in here it has certain things such as colorectal cancer, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and more. So you can use our API to know much better. If you are creating some nutrition application, uh, you can actually use your APIs to show the possible associated diseases to the end user, so they know much better what they are actually eating. Or if there are people with any diseases such as diabetes, cancer, or any other diseases, they actually have to take special care of what they eat. So you could um, allow them to use an application that uses our APIs, so they know better that the additives or ingredients that they are eating have possible side effects that are dangerous to the disease um, they have. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Please use or give it a try to our APIs. Let us know any other information that you may want to have in there, and have a great day.